Oh, it's working again. What? Okay, cool. What? What? It's just working again? Okay, whatever. You know what? I don't care. I don't care. That's a good problem to have. Unbelievable. Hey, whatever. I'll take it. I'll take it. You're confused what I'm confused about. The past few times I've started stream, YouTube has needed me to start it manually. Like start it in OBS, then start it again on YouTube's side. But this time it worked automatically again for the first time in like 3 streams. Didn't change anything, so that's cool. Anyway, welcome to welcome to getting back to some Unreal Dev. If you're watching in the future. I've been putting off this checkpoint system for a little bit, so I want to get this out of the way first. I was hoping I could do it before I started stream, but turned out to be a little bit more complicated than I was expecting. So we're gonna start with that and then move on to the other stuff that I meant to do today. That's the plan. Oh god, I'm gonna have to. I already know it's gonna yell at me. I think it's... Oh, that's right. Yeah. Shush. 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 Hello. Oh, I guess that's all the normal stuff. Okay. That's fine. Actually, let's just do this. Um, Come on, where's the... There we go. I think it's all... There... Okay, no. It's just the... Oh. Oh, man. That's annoying. I was looking for classes, like, right here, but... it looks like it labels, these class as well, so that's a bummer. Oh, well. I think I can figure it out then. Fine. It should already be there. Do I have custom private stuff yet? I do not. Uh, put it before. Whoa, whoa. Before protected. Okay. Now try it. Man, it's been a while since I've worked on this. Hmm? Right. Okay. I don't want all that. I should have seen that coming. That's my bad. Again. Okay, let's... Oh. Right. Um... And then I want to put those in the existing begin play. Oh, interesting. Oh, wait. That's... I did select begin play, right? Wait. Oh. Weird. I'll format it after. There. Ooh. I don't know about that, but we can try it. Oh. Oh. What the... Wait, did that... What? Why did that happen? What the hell? Huh? Wait. No. I... What? This should build now, but I want to check something in a second. What? Okay. What is it? PPP. What line was it? 214. I don't know why I didn't just... Wait, that didn't change anything. Wait. Huh? Wait. Uh... What function is it in? Start stats boost. Okay, start stats boost. Where? No. Oh, what the? I go. Huh? What? Normally I wouldn't spend so long on this, but this is like a big problem that, like, huh? Because the formatter absolutely cannot introduce syntax errors like that. That's bad. That's really bad. Why? Wait, now it doesn't do it. Wait, it's not doing it anymore. What the? Am I losing my mind? What happened? Okay. Apparently nothing's wrong. So I guess I can just ignore it. What the? Oh. I wonder if... That could have been it. That could have been it. That could have been it. Man. Whatever. Fine. Apparently it's not a problem. Fine. Right. I closed the editor. God, that was weird. But whatever. Okay. Alrighty, back to it. Okay. Let me see. Okay. So let's go to level 1. And then I just... okay, not there, obviously. What would an inline would this be? What? They're already perfectly in line? Really? I don't know if I believe that, but alright. Sure. Probably need it to be bigger, huh? I'm pretty sure it's just this one, but I don't know. Because I haven't done this yet. Because I assume checkpoints come from here, right? Or not. Oh. Maybe there is no built-in one. Maybe that is the one I... Okay, can you... Well... Ah, okay. Gotcha. Got it. Okay. Let's make it... Well, that's not ideal. That'd probably work. I'd be pretty hard pressed to find someone who can miss that. I guess technically you could try to jump over it, but like that's not a lot of room. Okay, let's see if it works. See if it does anything yet. You know what? I don't think it will, because I'm pretty sure. Well, actually, heal me. Get over here. Hurt me. Hurt me. Come on. Come on. What are you waiting for? Okay, maybe I made level 1 a little too easy. Come here, spikes. I... Oh! It actually worked! Don't think I was facing the right direction, though. Try that. Ah! Whoa! How'd I do that? I think it's confused. Okay, well, that's a bug for another time. Oh, no, it gets back there eventually. Wait, what was that rotation? Okay. Why do I face this way? Oh, wait, I wonder if it's just facing the wrong way. How would I know? I guess I would just have to test it. Ah, come here. Kill me. Come on. Come on. Yeah, okay, that's what it was. Interesting. Well, I guess I'll just have to test them then. That's kind of annoying, but whatever. I don't actually think I need one there either. Well, maybe because it's the first level. Be like, how do I know? Why is it 3? 4? 5? What the? What is happening? I mean, okay, as long as it's not actually duplicating them, that's fine, but like... Okay, that might be a little too big. And then, I don't actually know if that would make me, like, torpedo into the floor, so... Let's just put it nice and on the floor. Okay. Cool, so no one's gonna miss that. And then... Okay. Let's You know what? Just for now, um, just for right now, let me, uh, oh, let's make it 50. Just so I can run into the thing and have it kill me right away. Okay, so this one, good. Now I actually have to be careful. Okay, so this should bring me back to there. Good. And let me just make sure it works twice in a row. Yeah, okay, good. Okay. We hit this one. Okay, let's... Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to playtest it and then rotate it. Maybe I'll find some way to attach like an arrow to it or something, but... That was a little weird. Okay. Are kind of high up. Wait, why isn't it? Like, okay, you know what? Maybe I should have put it shooting into the floor. Okay. Oh yeah, that's way better. How would I know that though? Again, I just have to sort of playtest it and figure it out. Which isn't, I guess it's not the worst thing in the world, but it would be nice to have a more, I don't know, like deterministic thing. Ooh, what happens actually? I'm curious. So if I die here, it'll bring me back. That's expected, but what happens if I hit the first checkpoint again? Does it bring me back here again? It does. Does? It does. Hey, interesting. Okay. Great. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, that still doesn't update the current level. Okay. One thing at a time, though. That's working decently now. Okay. Let's go back and fix this. Five's a little too low, I think. Let's put that to 10 and then make this, 20. Okay. Cool. Save that. And we shall do the same in level 2. Okay. Where am I? Okay. Maybe let me take these out. We can put this here. Not there. Here. Okay, now this one might be kind of tricky. I don't think they should be able to... Oh, you know what? That might not even be facing the right way. Hold on. Ah! Okay, maybe let me keep the damage. Just for testing. Ah! Okay, I did not mean to do that. Okay. Now, which way does it spawn me in? Okay, that is facing the right way. Nice. Maybe just a little bit down. And that should work. Okay. And another one right here. Right. Hold on. So one's facing this way. No. 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 Is it? Come on. I... Okay. Make it face that way. Now, it's like 4, like... Oh, it's a bit taller here, isn't it? I'm not gonna jump over it. Eh. What? I did... Huh? Okay, I'll have to check that. That should have broken the wall down. You know what? Let's just redo it. Why didn't that break the wall? Oh, right, because I gave myself just enough. That's right. Oh, I should put one here too. Ah! Okay, checkpoint. Kill me. Okay, listen here. Little too high still. Mm. Okay, turns out that shortcut's trickier to do than I thought. God, I'm getting beaten by my own game. That's still a little high. We can put one here too. Ew. I think that should work. Okay. Little bit too high. That should be fine. Okay. Works for me. Okay. Cool. So let's save that. Alrighty. Okay, let's put this back down to 10. All right. Now, okay. Yeah, like I obviously. Okay, let me make a thing real quick. Um, no, it's under geometry, isn't it? Whoa. Uh, 50. Even that's a little thick. Ah, God. Maybe let's not model it here. Maybe let me model it somewhere else. Let's do it here. Yeah, did I not just save that? Oh my God. Okay. Now let's put a, oh, so much better. What was I doing? Okay. That on the floor? Guess so. Well, I guess it would help to have the guy for reference. Okay. So which way's which? This way's got to be longer. This way has got to be narrower. And then it's a little too long. It's still pretty long. A little long still. Other way. Okay. Little bit longer. Little bit narrower. Maybe a little thinner too. Sure. Okay. I guess I'll just call the surfboard. And then uh, Okay. Um. Okay. No, I don't think I need that. Um. Which did I put the? No, I didn't. Um. Yeah. I guess on this one. What? Oh, right. And then from here, then I select it from here. Right. 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 Whoa. Okay. And then, where's the? I think that should be okay. 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 Socket. Um. Okay. So I already have the one socket. So in theory, this should be pretty straightforward. But let's find out. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay. Uh. Oh, I already did this. Ooh, wait. What do I look for? Hold on. Wait. With board mesh selected, go to details, sockets, parent socket. Board, sockets, parent socket. Okay. Gotcha. That one. Nailed it. Nailed it. Uh, wait, I just realized. Do I still have the... Interesting. Uh, Here, let me... Wait. Is it under... No. This is the wrong... Get it wrong every time. Ah... Interesting. Where? Where is it finding health component? No. Hmm. I wonder why it's not finding that. Okay, great. How do I check? Well, I don't really know where it is, to be honest. Wait. I feel like that's not it. Wait, it's working. The Is that not what I did before? Am I losing it here? Did I not do that before? Did I only do it? Did I do it to the overworld one? Oh. Don't mind me, I'm just an idiot. Okay. Um... Wait, where's my... thing? Wait, what happened to the state here? It got all... Wait. Wait, now it's not even rotated the right way. What? What? What happened? Okay. I did all this already. God. Okay. That should be fine. Okay. Cool. Alrighty. I'm gonna do that in just a second. But first, I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Uh, so I'll be back in a few minutes. Maybe I'll grab myself a snack too. I don't have to get up again, hopefully. But we'll see. I'll be back in a few minutes. I always get the order of this wrong too. All right. All right. Okay. Let's see. Um. Okay, fine. Um. For these. Um. I, I feel like that's not right. Okay. Apparently, this was a difficult request. It, what? I know it's fine. Okay. I swear, Gemini has been really schizophrenic lately. Like, yeah, like you'll say something, it'll respond, you'll give a response to its response, and then it'll just go way off in another direction. It'll be like, no, no, this other thing that you've already done that you did not do yet. Like, it's like it's look back memory. I don't know what else to call it, but like its short-term memory is just bad right now. Heck. I'm not I don't think I should check it like that. Right, but this is not difficult. Yes! That's what I said. Yeah, I swear, it's like brain deficient lately. Like, it just gives terrible suggestions. Also, it's taking way longer to answer. So they changed something in the back end and made it worse. So, let me think this through. I want more or less a big volume I don't know if that would be ideal, but man, it really doesn't know how to take criticism lately. So, let me think this through. What I want it to be is basically, hang on, is basically you, where am I? Once you reach here, like this is just normal, like normal walking surface. And then these lights look super weird, by the way. I think I have to rebuild the lighting, but one problem at a time. But then basically I want it to be so like when you touch that surface, you just start going. Like designate it as a certain kind of surface somehow. Or maybe just put a big volume that, you know, covers the entire floor there and go, hey, this is slippery. Like, this should not be this difficult. Also, okay, apparently I really broke it. I... Does that really need to be... Like, I swear, I feel like I'm... I feel like I'm teaching a robot. Like, I... Are you stupid? Huh? It's not dedicated. Yeah. I... God damn. Okay. So... One thing at a time. I'll fix the stance in a bit. But first, can I make... Um, So let's make it an actor. Where is it? I'm sorry, what? What? Where is it? I Can you not add a volume? Okay. I, okay. Why? What is happening? Um. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Okay. So box collision, and then I'm not gonna be able to resize it properly though. I just realized. Maybe this would make more sense. Not as a blueprint, but as a function under here. Yeah, because I figure Check my internet connection and try again. Oh, that's rich, Google. Oh, that's a lot better. Let's do that. Hey, shush. Um, I guess I would go here, huh? Oh, right. You know what? Already doing it for these. Might as well do it here too. Go. No. Let's try two. Come on. Oh, jeez. It's looking. Oh, no. Oh, wait. What? You're joking. Huh. Fascinating. Okay. Whatever. I guess I'll just assume it's fine. Low. What do you mean? Ugh. Okay, so default is 2048. Let's do I don't know, 512. That's a multiple of 2048, right? And then what about the acceleration? Max acceleration. I'm sorry, what? Also 2048. Okay, so maybe um let's see. What's 2048 was? Oh god, I can't do math. Hold on. What is it? It's 3. Oh god, no. 3072. Oops. 121. What? Oh. Right? What? other ufunction things. What? Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay, let me think this through now. Okay. So now I should have access to that. So in here, I can make classic. I didn't even finish all the stuff. Actually, I don't think that should be there. Actually, come to think of it, one might want to be private. Well, I think that should be okay. You know what? Let's put it in protected. Where's it getting that from? No. Okay. Um. Uh. Probably none of them, to be honest. Right? Yeah. 1500. Okay. Oh, well, I guess they're just gonna calculate it there. There. Um, you know what? It's probably gonna yell at me for doing that, so let's not. Um, let me think. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Yeah. Nuts. I just realized this is where the overlap volumes have been living. Not on the character. I guess it should be okay. Hang on, let me try. Where am I at? Just find an overlap volume. Where is it? I'm sorry, what? That's what they're called, trigger volume. Yeah, blanking there for a second. Okay, so let's make this big. Real big. How do I, where's the, huh? There. Okay, this ought to be fun. What does that give me? Oh, good lord. Okay. That might be a little too long. Still too long. This is way too big. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Let's look at it this way. How about that? Okay. Okay, let's start with that. Okay. 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 There, see? Just like that. Now, gotta make it face the right way. And look at that. Okay. Now let's see. Uh, Trigger volume 1. Wait. No, that's not right. There we go. Okay. Enter, enter. Let's see what that does. I'm real curious to see what this does. God, the lighting looks terrible. I need to rebuild the lighting. Also, wait. Why didn't the power go up? God damn it. What the? Why? Why is that happening? I mean, I know the lighting looks terrible, but why would that suddenly break? I'm not super clear on that. This is taking a really long time. I'm a little surprised. Yeesh. This is taking a really long time. There we go. It at least looks a lot better. Kind of. Oh, that looks so much better. But what happened with the... I... This was working before. Uh-oh. What happened? Something happened to my character class. Does it happen... Hang on. Does it happen if I just spawn in and don't collect anything? Yes, it does. That's fascinating. I'm fairly certain it's fine. No? That's not it. You know what? The usual fix for stuff like that is just close and reopen. So that's what we're gonna try. Yeah. I should have known better. Okay. What happened to all my logic? All this stuff is broken now. What the? I uh, what was that under? Uh, um, what? Oh, what's the resizing stuff? I have to clean that up sometime. What is happening? I Wait, let me try something. I swear, if this works, I'm gonna lose my mind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, through. Okay, that's enough. Okay, no. At least it didn't do the thing I thought it might do. That's good. Good, I guess. I mean, it's not great. Um, gotta be breaking down here, right? Am I coding? I'm working on a game. It's a retro-inspired 3D platformer, well, adventure platformer. Think like early 2000s games like Pac-Man World 2 or SpongeBob Battle for Bikini Bottom, Scooby-Doo Night of 100 Frights, that type thing. But right now I'm just trying to figure out this bug where here. Actually this, oh no, this is fine. This bug where I need to go collect some stuff. But basically, I'm supposed to be able to throw a projectile, these blue cubes. But right now, for some reason, it's not throwing them. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Retro-inspired just meaning like, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of modern games. Like there are some exceptions. The Doom series does pretty well. But I don't know. By and large, I just feel like modern games, I don't know. They don't they lost a bit of the spark that made, the games of my childhood fun, in my opinion at least. So, but basically the bug right here is I'm supposed to, when I release this, I know it overlaps me, forget that. But the bug is when I release this click, it's supposed to throw the cube at the wall or, whatever I'm looking at. But instead right now it just sort of stays. And this has happened before, but it doesn't seem to be caused by the same thing this time. So we're figuring it out right now. Well, it's not. Yeah, and for me, like, a lot of it is they look like gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. Modern games look unbelievable. I don't care that much about how they look. I kind of want it to look a little kind of um blocky and whatnot. No, so it's aligning itself properly, but you're supposed to throw it like it's supposed to leave your body and go like if you were to take a ball and throw it, it's supposed to go away from you, not just stay there. So it's aligning properly. It's supposed to snap the character to the direction of the camera. That's working correctly. But the actual release mechanic on, which is why I think it's this function right here, launch projectile, not the actual um growing and whatnot logic itself. I think it's in here. But actually, you know what? Let me, yeah, right? Like, call me crazy, but if something's called a game, I feel like the top priority should be gameplay. That's just me, though. Call me crazy. All right, let me see if the cast is failing. Let me do, actually, yeah, exactly. Let me do level 2, because then I won't need to go collect a bunch of stuff. Yeah, no, so the cast is succeeding. Otherwise this would have printed. So, what can I check now? Let me put the print here. And then try looking at this return value. Because this hasn't happened in a really long time. And I don't know why it's happening now. Also, is my run not working? Oh no, it's working. I'm just so impatient that I'm used to using my stat boost constantly. Okay, so the vector's fine. That's not the issue. I shouldn't have done that. Whatever. Fine. Yeah. It's fine. It was working before. Think. So the velocity is correct, I think. Yeah, like literally everything but the throwing works, which is super weird. I wonder. I wonder if I'll be able to. Might be kind of tricky, but let me try. I want to see if I can. Gotta wait for those to get out of the way. Can I place it close enough to the wall? No, I cannot. Okay. Okay. It was worth a shot, but alas. Um. Also, I just checked the velocity and it was fine. Oh, nope. Um. Nope. Is it reset? Is it because it's reset? No, that's correct, I think. I feel like it has something to do with this. Something's weird about this. Okay, that's that's a good thought. Maybe I can, but I've found it just doesn't help all that much. Me describing the problem works just as well. Frankly, half the time it doesn't even give me any useful advice. In fact, Gemini, Google's, the other one I was using earlier, was so bad earlier that I stopped using it. So you can actually just highlight these and hey, there we go. You can just highlight them, copy, paste, and they look like that in text. But like again, it's usually fine with me just describing the issue, though I will say if it keeps, if I keep running into dead ends like this, then maybe I'll do that. But I feel like it has something to do with this not being correct or like up to date or something. Like, hold on, let me just right there, right there. I don't know why, but I feel like that'll maybe do something. Maybe, maybe not. But it's easy enough, so let's test it. Nope. Okay. Worth a shot. Oh well. Right. Where is this? No, it is, because it's setting... the joys of coding. I mean, that is kind of the point. I do like this kind of stuff, although usually I will admit the bugs are usually a little bit more straightforward than this. I feel like... Wait, is it the mesh or the character that changes orientation? Like, let's say I turn the whole camera this way. Like, it's the character. Okay, interesting. Okay, interesting. It might be onto something here. Hold on. Where is it getting? I'll read that fully in just a second. No, it's definitely the right mesh. Huh. Fascinating. Yeah, well, a little bit of both. I actually kind of like tidying up not even bad code, even just messy code. I mean, I'm one to talk. Look at this nonsense. Yeah, no. I did too, but I don't hmm. I feel like it has something to do with here. I feel like it should be this one. What can I do from here? What else can I do from here? Not much. Okay. See, this is a good use of that. I could, but I mean, they already take so much time as it is. Not really the lives, I mean, that I was gonna do those anyway, but like editing them down would take a significant amount of time. And like, frankly, I don't really. My goal isn't like become a streamer. It's more of stream my workday. So I don't know. I don't really care if the channel grows or not. It's more of just like a, hey, here's proof I can do the thing I say I can do. You know. Maybe in the future though. But as it stands right now, I'm more so like documenting my learning like process because while I'm not a new programmer, like I have a whole GitHub thing here where I have a bunch of just regular old coding problems. Or not coding problems, but like tools and whatnot. Um so like I'm not a new programmer, but I am new to game development. So the streams have just more or less been a way to be like, hey, you know, if you want to watch me learn this whole thing, maybe pick up some pointers here and there. You know, great. Um, but yeah, that's more or less how I'm approaching it. Well, that's not what I meant to do. That bottom part's supposed to stay attached to my desk. Window manager? Oh, in here. So oh, okay, I see. So it's this is Pop OS 22.04 LTS. So actually I can just give you the specs here. Hang on. Do I still have a thing for settings? I don't remember. You know what, whatever, it's fine. So that's, you know, the long and short of it. But basically it's X11 also. And actually there, you can just see the whole thing. But basically Pop OS 24.04, the one that they're pushing really hard with their Cosmic desktop and whatnot, doesn't actually work. At least it hasn't worked for me. I've tried it both on this machine and on my laptop, which is a framework, and the windowing or the like window focusing just doesn't work. Like you can pull up a terminal and then you can try to open like settings again, and then if you try to go back to your terminal, it just won't let you. Like it'll keep the settings on top and you won't be able to reselect the the terminal or the other windows or anything. So the focusing is completely broken on their, you know, recommended one. But which is a shame because the tiling and like window managing on 22.04, sorry, I gotta think really hard about which one is which. The tiling on this one is really nice. I really like it a lot. Especially on my laptop where I can use stack mode. Stack mode doesn't work very well with things like Unreal. Unreal's a little bit heavy for the tiling, but when I'm just doing like normal browser stuff or like normal text editing in here, which is this is what I thought you meant at first. This is Tmux, but that's a session manager. Um, but yeah, I really like the tiling a lot, but it's just a shame how bad the current version is because like I would love to use it. It's really cool that they rewrote the whole compositor in Rust and whatnot, but like in doing so, they broke like the base functionality, which is not, you know, not good. But it is what it is. I think this distro has like I forget how much longer of full support. I think it's sometime in 2027 that it loses support, so I'll have to see what kind of state Cosmic is in by then. Hopefully it's fixed. If it's fixed by then, great, but if not, I'll have to see. I also really don't like Wayland because I run, well, I don't think it's on right now, but I tend to run, yeah, it wasn't, my own Clipboard Manager that I wrote because you know, Linux doesn't really have a multi, you know, entry support thing. So like if I wanted to have, you know, that plus this plus like, I don't know, that. Hopefully it grabbed all that. Yeah, so there's one right here, 2, 3. So like I have a bunch of custom stuff as well. Like I have a keyboard shortcut that I cannot live without now. Shift space types underscore. So like stuff like that. It's just a very customized environment. Like my bash RC actually. Yeah, my bash RC is really long too. So yeah, I'd love to switch over to Cosmic, but it's not ready. So that was a very long answer to say Pop OS. So I do apologize for that. I don't think the if else is the problem. All right, no worries. Thank you though. I appreciate it very much. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. Where was it? Um Oh, I guess technically detach is separate from launch, isn't it? Hmm. Um I don't think so. Um what was the last thing I added? It was here, right? Yeah, this was the last thing I added. In theory, this should have nothing to do with the row logic, but you know what? Let's find out. Let's give it a try. I swear, if this works, I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, let's put that back before I forget. Oh, okay, well. Uh, is it? I feel like this is not the one or I feel like this is the one I verified, but okay. We can try. Yep. Uh, Right there. Ooh. Wait. What? Oh. I don't think I have a thing set up for that one. Let me hold on. I don't know. It's already. Just. Um. Root component mobility. Um. Nope. Um. Man, I am a little stumped on this. I Does it happen in level 1 also? Hold on. Oh wait, yeah, of course it does. I saw it before. So I am really stumped. Hold on. There's gotta be something. I I'm really confused. I This is not the thing I thought I would be troubleshooting right now. You know what? While it's trying to figure that out, what was I even doing before? I was doing surf mode. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it still hurts me. Never mind. I was like, wait, it's not hurting me anymore. No, it hurts me. It still hurts. Ah! Okay, does this work? Maybe I should... This one I can do. Uh... Nope. Well, at least that didn't fix it. That's good, I guess. Okay, this... I need to clean up the spikes there. Those look like a mess. Okay, so that is not being called properly. Wonder why it's not... Hold on. Okay, good enough. Huh? Huh? So wait, I... Okay. That could be part of it. Wait. It works there? Wait. No. That can't be right. Wait, so yeah, I know. So the cast failed here, but it worked. Am I? Oh my god. Okay, well that's one mystery solved. That shouldn't. Yeah, okay. So those were two unrelated. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool. A little more slippery. Okay, so that's one mystery solved. Oh. Oh god, now I have to recompile the whole thing. Let me. No shot I did the same thing here, right? Um, and it's literally it's printing from there. Let me just. Oh, why? Okay, but it's supposed to ignore me. Whereas it's set to ignore. It's I don't know what else it wants from me. What is it hitting? I know what's happened. Oh my god. Wait. I know. This had better work. This I come on. Yeah. There we go. I knew it. Oh, you. Okay. Oh my god. I really thought I wasn't gonna figure that out in time today. Man. Okay. You know what? Let me um it's in kind of an in-between state right now because the surf mode is like half implemented. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna call it a day there. Just because I can't do everything else that I was planning on doing in the next 8 minutes, which is when I was planning on ending. So I think what I'm gonna do for today is save everything, commit all the changes, commit all the changes. Um, and I can just bundle that, and then I'll be uploading that to my Google Drive. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that like that for today, and then tomorrow, when I have the same half day schedule, I'll finish it out. Oh, actually, I think I'll just do the upload of this on my own. It's done bundling anyway. So, oh, that's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hope to see you again some other time. But all I got today. So, hope you have a great rest of your day.